Привет, друзья! It's your Russian teacher Olisiia here again. In this lesson, we are going to talk about basic needs, simple emotions, and how to communicate with other people using very simple Russian words. This level is A1, so we focus only on the essentials, the words you really need to start speaking. Поехали! We start with the most important words in any language, pronouns. The first four words are я, I, ты, you, informal, мы, we, вы, you, formal or plural. Я means I, мы means we. These two are very straightforward. But why do we have two words for you? In Russian, we clearly separate formal and informal speech. Ты is informal. You use ты with friends, family, children, or people you know well. Вы is used when speaking politely with strangers, with your boss or teacher, or when talking to more than one person. So it's plural. Ты, informal, you. Вы, formal or plural, you. These four words, я, ты, вы, мы, are used all the time when you talk about yourself, your life, your friends, your opinions. They are absolutely essential. The next group is он, he, она, she, оно, it, они, they. They look very similar, but the pronunciation changes slightly. Он is stressed on the o, on. But in она, оно, они, the first O is unstressed, so it sounds like а. We say она, she, оно, it, они, they. This is a normal pronunciation rule in Russian. In Russian, everything has a gender. Not only people, but objects too. For example, this shirt is она, she. This nose is он, he. This ear is оно, it. So он, она, оно can describe objects, not only people. Now let's say hello. We have two main words for greetings. Здравствуйте. Hello, formal. Привет. Hi. Informal. Здравствуйте is a long and difficult word. Здравствуйте. If you cannot pronounce it perfectly yet, that's okay. Try breaking it into parts. Здравствуйте. 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 Привет is much easier, and you might already know it. So use привет with friends, здравствуйте in polite situations. Very simple, very important words. Да, yes, нет, no, спасибо, thank you. Спасибо is neutral. It works in both formal and informal situations. Now let's move on to verbs. Быть is to be. Important note, быть is not used in the present tense, only in the past and in the future. Сказать, to say, one time. One short statement. Говорить, to speak, to talk. Long speech, conversation. Мочь, to be able to. You will usually see it as могу, может, and so on, but the base form is мочь. Знать, to know information or facts. Есть, to eat. Notice the infinitive ending t. Most Russian verbs end like this. Хотеть, to want something. Видеть, to see, to notice something. Смотреть, to watch a movie, TV, or something intentionally. Идти, to go on foot. Only walking, not by car or transport. Стоять, To stand. You might hear it as a command. Стоять. Stand still. Думать. To think. Also used to express opinions. Жить. To live. Notice the strong sound ж. Жить. У меня есть. I have. Literally, something exists at my place. This is how Russians say I have. Очень. Very. Used with adjectives. Надо. It's necessary. Need to. It is often used as мне надо. I need. Сейчас. Now. Pay attention to pronunciation. Сейчас. 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 Можно. It's allowed. It's possible. It's okay. Also can be a question. Можно? Can I? Такой. Such. This kind of. Большой. Big. Новый. New. Хороший. Good. Нужный. Necessary. Старый. Old. Человек. A person. In plural it will be люди. People. Год. Year. Время. Time. Рука. Arm. Hand. In Russian, рука is everything from fingers to shoulders. Рука. Глаз. Глаз. Eye. Голова. Head. День. Day. 24-hour period of daytime. Always say 24 часа. Друг. Friend. Дом. House. Место. Place. These were 50 essential Russian words. The most important thing now is practice. So study today's words, practice a little every day, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Пока-пока!